Today we are going to differentiate between deterministic finite automata and non-deterministic finite automata. We can express the difference in just in one line, and that is, while traversing an FA, if you feel confused, then it is NFA, but if you are not confused, then it is DFA. So what is meant by being confused? You are confused when you have more than one possible transitions for a given single input letter, and you may be confused when you have null transitions. So in an FA, if you have more than one possible transitions for a single input letter, or if you have null transitions, then you are confused where to go, and it's called NFA. So let's see some example. Here you can see that here, let's say we take an example of a string A, B and B, and we traverse this FA. So for A, you will definitely come back to state 1, and for B you have two options: either you stay here or you move towards the state number 2. So because here you are confused, so it is NFA. Now we see the same thing for the DFA. So let's say we have same string for here, and pass the string through this FA. So for A you stay here, for B you move to the state 12, and again for B you move to the state 12, stay under state 12. So here you do not have more than one path for a single letter, so it is DFA. So this is it. So next I discussed that if you have null transition, again you may be confused, so again it is an NFA. So let's see the null transition. Here let's say we pass this string through this FA. For A you move to this state, and here you have this null transition. So null transition means you can have free ride. So if I pass through it, this null transition, and come here, then for next B I will stay here, for next B I will stay here, so this string will be accepted. But if I choose the other path, that for this A I come here, then I don't take this free ride of null transition, but rather I stay here, and then for next B I move to this state, and for next B I stay here. So this same string is rejected. So due to this null transitions, I feel confused to choose the right path, so this is an NFA. So this is the difference between DFA and NFA.